Hello guys, welcome to composertutorial.com. Let's get straight to the step 1 and let me open this. Our step 1 I divided into 4 parts. First would be to buy a domain name, second to buy hosting, third to add on domains or domain, and fourth to point to name servers. If you don't know what domain name is or hosting and what are name servers and what they do, I suggest you watch my other videos. A link will be next to the video. If you are watching on YouTube, they will be in description box. Let's go ahead and buy a domain name. I will type in composer tutorial. You have a drop down box here. You can select here com, info, biz, net, org, anything you want, and we are going to hit here search. This domain is already taken, but let's see what variations we also might consider. So we have option composer guide, composer manual, composer tutorial videos. Let's add this first option, and here on the right hand side you will have continue to registration. Click on that. So we are on the next page. Here we are on customize. Let's fill in our details. It's going to be Gina and last name Antonovic, and let me type in my email address, Now we are going to city and the country and state or territory and zip code here and your phone. All these red stars are required, the rest isn't, so make sure you fill them all in. 695505711, and that's my business mobile phone, and select here next. This is order summary. As you can see, I ordered only this composer tutorial videos.com for 1 year, and it's 1017, and in my shopping cart is 2034. Composer guide was added because I tried to register just a few minutes ago. So how do we remove this? Simply click here on remove, and this is our order summary. If you want to run for charity, select your charity here. Let's say we want to add this round. If you change your mind, you can remove this as well, and select continue to checkout. Okay, this is final step, and this is how you fill in your account information. So what is your account type? Do you want it to be business or personal or both? Receive monthly summary of my account. Leave it at yes. First name, we have last name, address, city, state and territory. I will pick this, and zip code, country. Organization is optional, so it's not required. Work phone and home phone. Gender, you don't have to fill in this. Login ID, create your password and confirm your password. Let's say that this will be my password. Password hint. You will provide calling PIN when you need some technical support or to verify your identity and the customer account. Make sure you put this PIN number and all your information somewhere safe. ×1, and let me see. Okay, so let's fill in the information we need here and finish with checkout, and this will be the last time that you have to enter your information here. So first name, last name, address, city, state and territory is missing. Let's fill that in, and zip code, country, email, phone is here, card number. Let me put just anything. Your name on the card has to be exactly how it is typed on your credit card. Here you are going to select your master, discover any card that you are going to pay with. Expiration date, you will find your expiration date on your credit card and the year when it expires. Card verification code, this is what get most people confused, so let me just really quickly show you how do you get that verification code. If you have an internet credit card, it will be below your information, usually 3 digits security code, or I think American Express has 4 digits. Yes, American Express 4-digit card security code. It will be somewhere here or on the back of your card. That will be all information that you need to fill in, and you're going to check here. I have read and agree to the terms and conditions, and place your order. That will be it. You will have your domain name. Just one real quick warning. Make sure you buy your domain name from GoDaddy, or at least someone who is reliable, because sometimes when you go to check for domain names, if it's available or taken on some websites, they just sneak and take your domain name and they try to sell it to you later for, let's say, I don't know, 20 bucks or something. And at least if you are buying your domain name, when you are checking for availability, at least come to GoDaddy and see here if your domain name is available, if you want to proceed and buy your domain name somewhere else. That will be all about buying a domain name, and next we are going to go to HostGator and see how do we buy our hosting. We are now at HostGator's website, and if you don't buy your hosting with HostGator, at least make sure that you get cPanel in your hosting plan. It is very important that you have your cPanel, because this is where you manage your email accounts, where you can add on domains, files manager, can install blogs on your website. So make sure you have, wherever you buy hosting, just make sure you have cPanel. We are back at HostGator. We are going to select here View Web Hosting Plans. Don't get scared how all this can look sometimes intimidating when you are buying for the first time and you have no idea what to look for. So make sure you click here, View Web Hosting Plans. And this is where you are going to select what is it that you are actually looking for. If you are going to buy one domain name, you can start with as little as $3.96 a month. So Hatchling plan is for one domain only. If you take a baby plan, this is a plan that you can have unlimited domains, so you can have as many websites as you like, as many domain names as you like, and that's why you need the cPanel, so you can add domains on your hosting. Good news about HostGator is that you have unlimited disk space and you have unlimited bandwidth. This is the plan that I use, this baby plan. Let's go ahead and order this baby plan. Because I already have existing domain, I will add my domain here. And if you are going to register a domain name, you're going to register your domain name here and continue to step 2. The same procedure as when we were buying domain name. You're going to fill in all your billing information, your credit card, and you're going to create your username. Prepare a small note or notebook and write all your information down, like usernames and password and security pin. We finished 2 parts of step 1. We bought a domain name and we bought hosting. Next we are going to add on domains and point to name servers. So see you in the next video, guys.